Hey, this is Adaptive Mom with AdaptiveMom.com, and this is my 2 cents on Sippy Cups. First, I'm going to show you guys the traditional Sippy Cup. It has a spout. It can be a soft spout or a hard spout, and it usually has some kind of valve inside that has to be taken out and cleaned, and gets all kinds of fun gunk and bacteria up in there. The valves are easily lost, can get stuck in the dishwasher. I do like the take and toss. There's no valve, and they're pretty spill proof, and when your kid chews it up like this one is, you can just toss it in the trash. The next option is straw cups, and I am not a fan of these, even though I am a speech therapist, and most speech therapists do recommend straw cups, but they are a pain to clean, and they get all kinds of bacteria up in there. This one, for instance, you have to pull it out. There is actually another piece that goes on top of here that flips over and keeps it from leaking when you throw it in the diaper bag, which is great, but you have to take that piece off, pull the straw out. The valve is actually here, and they have to bite it, and if you read the blog, you'll understand why I think biting a straw is a bad habit for a nursing baby, because it leads to biting other things that aren't so desirable. And it's got all these great little parts that pull apart, and you got to wash each piece and keep up with each piece, and that's what I think about straw cups. This is another one. This is not leak proof. This is just one my daughter uses because she has problems with dehydration. So this is one of the big ones we fill up in the mornings, and she drinks this. Just a side note, I don't ever feed straight juice. I water down everything. Basically, I use a little bit of juice to flavor the water, just like you would use a flavor drop-in pack. So spills are not as big of a deal in my household as they would be if I gave straight juice. Okay, now my favorite option are the rim cup sippy cups. These are some older options that still have the valve, and they're more of a hybrid. Well, this one, see, you lose the valves. Maybe this one has the valve in it. It's just a twist off top, and they drink, oh, see, you lose all the valves. And they drink from the rim just like they would a regular cup. Then you have my favorite, which are, I think these are rather new. It's a rim cup, and it has 3 pieces. This is actually your spill-proof valve. I'll show you on one that's put together. They go together like this, and so the ridges are on the outside, and they sip through here, and they get the liquid through the ridges, and so it protects it from, you turn the cup over, and sometimes you'll get a couple little drops because it is vented so that they can suck. But I really don't have a whole lot of problems with this. Again, I don't give straight juice. My son, who is 10 months old, can drink from this solo. They do come with handles that fit on like that. My son loves to take these handles off and throw them across the room, so we don't use them at all. But it can be good for training. But anyway, as I was saying, my 10-month-old son can drink from this cup independently with no problems. This is one of my daughter's cups. You can get these at Bed Bath & Beyond or wherever. You can get them designed however you want to. This was one of her prizes for potty training. It's not spill proof, but you can close it and toss it in the diaper bag and then open it when she needs it. And you're not completely going into a sippy cup. It's still kind of drinking from the rim. A cup is preferred if you have the time and the patience to teach your child to drink directly from a cup rim and skip all this mess, more power to you. You're ahead of the game. So that's my take on sippy cups and the like. This is Adaptive Mom for AdaptiveMom.com, and I'll talk to you later.